What's a sign to leave a party that not a lot of young people know? 1. If the host starts cleaning up instead of socializing, it's either time to help or time to leave. 2. A group of males that no one really knows show up. 3. Host puts their hands on their knees, stands up and says, "Well, it's getting late." 4. If someone shows off or flashes a weapon of any kind, gun, knife, taser, whatever, just go. It always ends badly and bystanders get hurt all too often. 5. If you are the youngest one there by several years, you might have a bad time. 6. If there's 2 or more guys being loud and one of them suddenly takes his shirt off, you have somewhere between 1 second and 1 minute to skedaddle before the fight starts. 7. Some cultures, they put out a bold display of fruit as a last bite of food before you go. Some folks call it FOF, fuck off fruit. 8. In Syria, social visits begin with juice, then sweets. Then at last, after a nice visit, Turkish coffee with cardamom. When the coffee comes out, you know to sip and split. In Yemen, coffee is served first. This resulted in a bit of an awkward visit once when my Yemeni friends invited new Syrian